What's up, YouTube? I'm a dot, and I am here at a GTR. Yeah, you're looking. Yeah, it's gonna be all nice and smoothly. And look at that. Yeah, you see that? It says, look, a GTR. Get it? GTR.
Put me on some. Put me on some. Put me on some. Put me on some. Yeah, we really going dumb. Put me on some. Put me on some. Put me on some. Put me on some.
What's up, YouTube? I'm right here, and I'm a Don. Well, mostly you heard about me, and and we are here about learning about cool cars and cool motors. And I want to show you this car. You see this? You see the wheels? Yeah. You see the inside? Yeah. And you see that side? And I'm going to show you a lot of amazing cool cars that we never been seen before. Well, sure, we do. But so it's going to be amazing.
Ooh. Tell me when to go. 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 Tell me when to go.
And we're going to see some more videos right now. And take a look at this. We are going to see some more cars. Look at this. And I'm going to show you a lot of amazing stuff. You see that? You see that part? And you see that? Yeah, that's good. And I'm going to show you the motors. Yeah, you see that motor? I know. It's pretty cool and awesome. And amazing. And here, we're going to see that pink car.
It's basically all Skyline.
Yeah, you see that? It's pinkish and I like it. And here we're going to see a blue car. That's amazing and cool wheels. And I'm really not seeing the motor up top, but it's okay. We're going to love this. And look at it, comes with a helmet. And now we're going to look at Corvette. And here we are at a Challenger, and this is where we get the music and the empty motors. It has hydro speed and boost, and look at the wheels. Look inside. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's gonna be amazing, and you're gonna like this. You see that? Yeah, pretty cool. Oh, and it comes with this. Yeah, I know it's cool. Yes, but still. And here we have the most greatest cool car that I ever seen, and this is going to be my favorite car in my list. Look. Yeah, you see that? You see that? Yeah, that's a cool car. Kind of like the stickers. And look, it comes with a pillow. Ooh, and stickers. Cool. And we're going to look at in the back. Yeah. And the wheels and the picture again. And we're going to look at, ooh, yeah, that's pretty cool. Look at that. And here we're going to look at a cool cool car. And here we have a skinny line right here. Yes, it's pretty cool. And I like the stickers. Look inside. Nice and shabby and cool. Yes, so sweet. And now we have the 1985s. See that? Yeah, it has the old seat belts in the old driver. In the old cool. Yeah. And here we have a cool front one. It's super amazing. And here we have a I want that. And some another cool cars. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, and look at the motor. Oh, and plus you can see the motor up top. Yeah, you see it. And now we're going to look at another second amazing car. See that? Yeah, you see that? I wish I can have these cars, but they're so amazing. And look at in the back. Woo! Yeah, it's two. And look at the electronics and stuff. That's a cool wheel. Nice cloud. Ew. And here we have the amazing motors in the whole universe. And now we're going to look at the amazing whole universe motors. Check out this. Yes, you see it. Oh, look at that. Yes, it's going to be cool and awesome and cool again. And we're going to look at these two cars. You see that? Yeah. We got the wheels. I like this kind of wheels. And look at the front ones. I like this one better. And let's see about the backs. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now we're going to look at this kind of car. Yep, it's pretty cool. And awesome. It's really. And here we're going to look at the cool, amazing cars that we've never seen before. Yes, it's good. And the back. And now this is our top secret second one. This is my uncle. This used to be my. I wish my uncle can have these kind of cars, but he wouldn't. He would drive. Yes, and it's going to be pretty good. Oh, and look at the motors. Yeah, we're at a different car right now, and it says here. And here we have the cool tires, the cool motors, and all the designings that they add. And these wheels are going to be cool. What's up, YouTube? I am right here. I'm Dawn, and we're going to see this amazing cool car right here. Yeah, please don't get too close. It's kind of a little bit noisy. It's going to be thunderous. And this guy's going to clean up this car. Come on, for a second. Excuse me, sir?
Hey, good. Hey!
William, did you go into this?
Huh? What's that?
It looks cool.
Oh, thanks, man.
So, can you show us some around how you clean up your car?
Yeah, you can, I'm just about to do my wheels. You can watch me if you want.
Cool. And we're going to watch this man clean up his car, and you're going to see it. Look at this cool car. Yeah, it doesn't come with a motor. I think, but I don't know. Plus, look. You see that?
Shine those wheels, right? Those tires, I mean.
So does your little car come with a remote control?
No, I bought it separate and I painted it the same color.
Oh. So did you paint it in?
Yeah, I did.
What color was it when you first bought it?
It was white. It was white when I first got it.
So it came to so your big car that you just bought right now, that you're just cleaning, so it came with the helmet?
Yeah, I painted that helmet too.
Wow. That's super amazing.
I'm glad you find it cool.
I wish I can clean up a car someday.
You will one day.
Can you teach me how to clean up one?
I mean, just, just wipe it down, really. Nothing to it.
Wow. So how much does this car cost?
Not much.
It's only $50.
50 bucks? Or maybe 100. We'll go with 100.
$100?
Yeah.
How is this car can only cost like $200.
Sure. like a rubber, something that makes it shine.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you're doing a race here?
No, this is the show. So you come in here and you show your car. And
Whoa.
that's it. Yeah. So you're a YouTuber, huh?
Yeah. So did you design the front one? So you designed the front one? You designed the front one and you're going to clean the front one?
Yeah, I just wiped it down. That's it. Just wipe it down with a clean towel and you're good. Nothing too much.
I thought you wiped it with that.
Oh no, this this was for rubber only.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now I get it. Oh. I like the designing that you just did.
You like it?
Yeah.
Cool. There's a lot of cool cars you see around here too, huh?
Yeah.
Make sure it's clean.
Yeah. It's super cool. Well, thank you for showing us how to clean your car.
Man. Come back anytime.
Okay.
Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Hey,
Time to bring the bass
yeah.
down.
Hey, 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 hey. Same squad, same squad, same squad. Drop top, coupe, Dodge raindrops. Big back plays on FaceTime. Squad ain't with me, then it ain't right. Same squad, same squad, same squad. Drop top, coupe, Dodge raindrops. Big back plays on FaceTime. Squad ain't with me, then it ain't right. Same squad, same squad, same squad. Cross move quick like AI. Chain shine bright like daytime.
Hi YouTube, my name is Adon and I just bought this. This only costs like $3 and it's for GTR.
GT.
GT.
OD.
Yeah, and this only just costed like $3, so I just bought it. And I'm gonna add this to my Hot Wheel collection, and I'm gonna play with it a lot. Well, not a lot, but if I feel like not to play with it or anymore, I'm just gonna sell it.
All right, cool.
So thank you. Bye bye. What's up, YouTube? And it's me again, and I'm at the cool car sections, and we're gonna see a lot of cool cars and a lot of motors. Yeah, there's tons of. Oh, you see the mountains? Yeah, you see them. Yeah, it's cool. Ooh, do you have this car?
What's up, kiddo?
Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
Do you play I Need Speed for Payback?
What's that?
I Need Speed for Payback.
What's for payback?
Like I Need Speed for Payback, it's a game.
Oh, yeah? Need for Speed?
Uh-huh. You play that game?
I haven't. Not yet. Is it good?
Yeah, well, you have the same car as I Need Speed for Payback.
Oh, I have the same car you need in Need for Speed Payback?
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. That's amazing.
So,
That makes me really happy.
So you're going to clean up all of this car?
Heck yeah. Then one day you'll have one just as nice. Stop. Thanks, dude.
So did you all design this?
What's that?
Did you all design this?
Yeah, I did this one all by myself. Joey, look at this wheel right now against the ground. Tell me.
I like this car.
Oh, bro. We're taking pictures on this side for sure all day.
Wait, so you guys are taking pictures on this side?
Yeah.
So this is your final one to clean?
Yes, sir. This is it.
How many cars do you have?
How many do I have?
Uh-huh.
Personally,
Yeah.
6.
So this is your 7th?
Nick, can you look up on my trunk, not on the wing, please?
This is your 7th?
Look up on my trunk.
So this is your 7th car?
This one is my 6th car.
Oh. Would you wish to have a Corvette and a Lamborghini?
Oh, no way, man. Too expensive.
Hi, Marvin. So do you earn prizes?
I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll see if we win something today. That'd be pretty cool, though, huh?
Yeah. I have a question.
I think that means you gotta vote for me.
Yeah, but I have a question.
What's that?
Do you have one of these cars?
One of these?
Yeah.
No, I don't have one of those. Oh, thanks, bud.
Okay.
No, I don't got one of those.
Whoa. So you open the car with a key?
Yes, sir. Oh, dude, mine's all gooped up, too.
So,
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, these are our show plates.
Well, thank you for showing
No
us.
problem. What's your name, bud?
Adon.
Adon, I'm Joey.
Nice to meet you, Joey.
I'll be around. I'll see you around later.
Okay. See you, Joey. Marvin, I have been recording a lot.
Yeah, you shouldn't be recording a lot. You should be taking little clips. But it's okay. You're doing great.
Can you make this? Can you post this on YouTube?
Perhaps.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Adon, and I am here at a GTR. Yeah, you're looking. Yeah, it's gonna be all nice and smoothly. And look at that. Yeah, you see that? It says, look, a GTR. Get it? GTRs. And look at the whole blues and the whole lines. And it's pretty cool. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching YouTube. See you later.
Hey, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Same squad, same squad, same.